Exterior house painting must be coordinated tightly with roofing, siding, and window work to prevent costly rework and delays. Start by sequencing trades, so painting comes after roofing and siding are finished and fully settled, because roofers often create dust and require flashing that could overlap painted surfaces. Plan a buffer window of at least 7 days after roofing and siding completion to allow materials to outgas and for sealants to cure before primers or top coats are applied. Pre-mask and protect installed elements like vents, gutters, and windows immediately after those trades finish, using low-tack tape and breathable covers so moisture does not get trapped while still preventing overspray and drips. Assign clear scope boundaries in writing that state who is responsible for caulking, back priming, trim flashings, and final fastener touch-up so crews do not assume another trade will handle those tasks. Use staged punch lists. One when roofing and siding are complete, another before final paint, and a last one after all penetrations are done to capture missed fasteners, exposed nail blisters, and adhesive residues. Schedule final caulking and touch-ups only after all exterior penetrations such as gutters, downspouts, and mechanical mounts are installed so sealant adhesion is reliable and paint is not lifted. Common issues include misaligned schedules, where painters arrive too early and must redo work after a subsequent trade penetrates the finish. Avoid this by enforcing the sequence and holding final painting until punch list items from roofing and siding are closed. Another frequent problem is paint surface contamination from roofing dust, sealant oils, or siding adhesives, which can be mitigated by specifying cleaning protocols such as solvent wiping, abrasive scuffing where appropriate, and a small adhesion test patch before full application. Finally, scope ambiguity leads to finger pointing when caulking or trim flashing is needed. Resolve this by documenting responsibilities in the contract, using simple diagrams for edge conditions, and confirming acceptance of each installed element before painting begins. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and to help contractors find work by connecting project leads to experienced providers. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share practical advice on sequencing trades, material choices, and real-world coordination tips.